going on, y'all? This is Kato Images, aka Kato GFX. I'm going to show you how to use one of my R.I.P bundle packages. A lot of people are having trouble with understanding how to use it, so I just made a video to show you what's going on. I'm gonna go to my file. Basically, if you download it from your email, you'll see this file pop up. I'm gonna go to the first one. You must have Photoshop to use it. I'm gonna try to make it on other programs, but right now I'm doing PSD, Photoshop documents. Okay, this is a R.I.P file I made. Basically, it's simple. You could use it. You could put in whoever you want. I'm gonna go back to here and pick up somebody in my files I have already. Let me see if I can find somebody. Lord, where's? Be patient with me. Download. Oh, there, right in front of my face. Oh, there go Michael Jackson. They'll put him in there. I just drag him over to the PSD icon at the bottom. Look at him. He's in there. I'm gonna decrease his size by holding shift and click right. Put him on top of the layer. We'll go find him. He's on the top of the layer palette. Bring him down where the woman should have been here already, for example. There she go right there. So basically, let me show you what I'm talking about. The woman is right here. She's not going to show up when you open the file. So basically, put whoever you're trying to put in her place, put it right below her, and it'll pop up. So I'm going to click him. I'm going to go back to the layer, click him. You can add wings behind him. That's also in the bundle. Go to R.I.P objects, and the wings are right here. Drag it over to your image. There you go. Make it bigger, well, big enough for him to fit. See, he's sideways, so I had to do the perspective on it. Okay, also drag the wings right behind him. That's how you use your layers. See how that fit right in there? Okay, I'm gonna go back down to the wings. I don't like the way it look. I'm gonna select both of them, Michael Jackson and the wings at the same time. Holding control and click right. Grab the top of the box. Let's see. Oh, no, that's wrong. Hold shift and click right. Grab the top of the line box and make them bigger or smaller, however you want to do. Alright, let's get rid of this text above his head. You could change the color of that text. So I'll put Michael. Hope I spell it right. I'm going crazy. I'm spelling Michael Jackson wrong. All right. I like to capitalize the first of them. You're going to use the script text. Okay. Capitalize J. If you're not going to use the bold text, I like to capitalize. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm going to go over here and get me a text. Trying to go back so I can make it fit pretty decent. Michael Jackson. Take that dove, move that dove wherever you want to move it to. It's all on you. Move it around. And memory of, you can change the text on that however you want to do. It's pretty much simple. I made this pretty simple so you can basically do what you want in less than 10 minutes. So if you don't know how to use Photoshop, you double click on the layers where his name is, and you see something called layer styles. You can basically change the way the text look. I'm gonna change the purple to blue. Let's see what look good. I'll leave it green. I could do an outline stroke so the name will pop out a tad bit more. Put a drop shadow on so you can see it. Hit OK, and that's basically it. You can set the sunrise and sunset however you want to use it. You can change the font down below. All of it's set preset for you, and that look pretty good to me, y'all. Anything else you want me to explain to y'all? Just tell me what kind of video you want me to make, and I'll make it. I appreciate it. Thank y'all for buying my bundles, and I'll make more.